So in English, every single day you say the words to be. I am, you are, she is, he is, we are. These are all forms of to be. In Spanish, one of the verbs for to be is called
ser,
but it's not exactly the same as to be in English.
ser,
It is only used for things about you that do not change, permanent things, stable things. Let me show you a simple way to remember this forever. Think of your ID card. Your name is on it. Your job is on it. Your country and your nationality are on it. None of those things change every morning when you wake up. They stay the same. So whenever you see something like a name, a job, a country, a nationality, that is
ser,
your ID card rule. Hold on to that. I want you to listen to how Carlos says it in Spanish. The first use is identity. This means who someone is, their name. For example, if I want to say he is Carlos in Spanish, I think like this. He in Spanish is
él
and the to be verb for él is a.
es,
So I put them together. Listen to Carlos.
él es Carlos,
He is Carlos. That is identity. That is.
ser,
Second use is profession, your job. Now here is how you think about this. If I want to say I am a doctor in Spanish, I start with I am. In Spanish, I am is.
soy,
Then I need the word for doctor. Listen to Carlos say that word first.
médico,
That is doctor in Spanish. Now I put them together. Listen to Carlos say the full sentence.
soy médico,
I am a doctor. Profession. Beautiful. The third use is origin, where you are from. So if I want to say I am from Spain, I think like this. I am is soy. From in Spanish is
de
and Spain is es.
España,
So the sentence is
soy de España, soy de España,
I am from Spain. Origin.
ser,
And the fourth use is nationality. This is very similar to origin, but it describes what you are. For example, Spanish, Japanese, Mexican. Listen to Carlos.
soy español,
I am Spanish. Nationalities.
ser,
So those are the four uses of sir: identity, profession, origin, nationality. Every single one of them is on your ID card. Every single one uses.
ser,
This is called conjugation. Do not let that word scare you. It just means the verb has a different form for each person, and I am going to walk you through each one very slowly. But first, I want to tell you something really interesting about Spanish. Something that makes it actually easier than English. In Spanish, the verb itself already tells you who is speaking. The ending of the verb carries that information. So technically, you do not always need to say I or you or we before the verb. The verb already has that meaning inside it. I know that sounds a little strange right now, but by the end of this part, you will completely understand. Let me show you. Let's start with the first person. That is, I in English. In Spanish, I is you.
yo,
And
ser,
form
yo,
is.
soy,
Listen to Carlos.
soy,
That means I am. Now here is the important thing. The word soy is completely unique in Spanish. Only I use a soy. Nobody else. So when a Spanish speaker hears soy, they immediately know the person is talking about themselves. There is no confusion at all. Because of that, in real Spanish conversation, people almost never say yo soy. They just say soy. The word soy alone is enough. It already means I am. So the connection in your brain is this. Yo equals soy, and in a real sentence, just soy is perfectly natural. Repeat after Carlos.
soy,
Now the second person. That is you in English. In Spanish, you is
tú,
and the sir form for two is.
eres,
Listen to Carlos.
eres,
That means you are. Now,
eres,
it's also unique. Only you use as eres. So technically, you could just say eres and drop the two, just like we dropped you before. But here is the difference. In real Spanish conversation, people very often keep two before,
eres,
not because they have to, but because it sounds warm and natural when talking directly to someone. It adds a personal feeling to the sentence, so you will hear both. Just eres and two.
eres,
Both are correct, both are now. Practice with two eres so you feel comfortable. The connection is
tú,
equals.
eres,
Repeat after Carlos.
tú, eres,
Third person. This is he or she in English. In Spanish, he is
él,
and she is.
ella,
And the sir form for both.
él, ella,
Listen to Carlos.
es,
Es, that means he is or she is. Now this one is different from the first two. The word
es,
is shared by
él, Ella.
So if someone just says,
Es médico.
you might not know if they mean he is a doctor or she is a doctor. That is why with this form, we almost always keep the subject. We say
Él es.
or
Ella es.
to make it clear, so the connection here is
Él
equals
es.
then
Ella
equals
es.
And in sentences, keep L or Ella in front so everyone understands. Repeat after Carlos. Now we. In English, that is we. In Spanish,
Nosotros.
and the SIR form for
Nosotros.
listen to Carlos.
Somos.
That means we are. Just like soy, the word somos is unique. Only we use it somos. So in conversation, people often drop nosotros and just say somos. The connection is nosotros equals somos.
Sois.
Repeat. Next. In Spain, there is a special form for you all. When talking to a group of people you know well, that is,
Vosotros.
and the SIR form
Vosotros.
is listen to Carlos.
Son.
That means you all are. This form is used mainly in Spain. If you are learning Latin American Spanish, you will use you.
Ustedes son.
But it is good to know sois. The connection is
Vosotros.
equal so.
Son.
And the last one, they in English, in Spanish, they is allos for a group of men or a mixed group, and allos for a group of women. The SR form for both is,
Son.
that means they are, just like
Es.
the words
Son.
mean.
Ellos son or ellas son.
So in sentences, we keep allos or allas in front to make it clear who we are talking about. The connection is allos equals son and allas equals son. Repeat.
Son.
Wonderful. So let's look at the full picture together. Look at this table. And notice the pattern I told you at the beginning. Some forms are so unique that you drop the subject. Soy somos? Soy the verb alone is enough? But some forms are shared or need more clarity. Es and son. For those, we keep the subject in front. And to eres. Keeping to is a choice. It is warm. It is personal. And you will hear it very often in natural Spanish conversation. Now let's practice all 6 together. Listen to Carlos, then repeat.
Soy. Eres. Es. Somos. Sois. Son.
Again, a little faster. Now you go first. Look at the table. Say all 6 before Carlos. Ready.
Soy. Eres. Es. Somos. Sois. Son.
That is the conjugation of
Sea.
6 forms. And now you understand not just what they mean, but why some keep the subject and some do not. That is real understanding. That is how you actually learn Spanish. This is where it gets really exciting. We are going to build real Spanish sentences together. And I want to show you exactly how a Spanish speaker thinks when they make these sentences. Step by step, let's start. Imagine you want to say in Spanish, I am a doctor. How do you build that? Step 1, think of your job word, doctor in Spanish. Listen to Carlos.
Médico.
Now think about who is speaking. It is I, and I in Spanish connects to soy. Remember your table, yo equals soy. Step 3, you do not need to say yo out loud. In real Spanish conversation, soy alone already means I am, so the sentence is just soy plus medico. Listen to Carlos say it.
Soy médico.
I am a doctor. Now you say it. Next sentence. She is a nurse. Let's build it together. Step 1. Nurse in Spanish. Listen to Carlos.
Enfermera.
Nurse. Step 2. Who is the subject she? She in Spanish is Ella. And Ella connects to es in your table. Step 3. Put them together. Listen to Carlos.
Ella es enfermera. Ella es enfermera. Ella es enfermera.
Next, we are teachers. Step 1. Teacher in Spanish. Listen to Carlos.
Profesores.
Teachers. Step 2. Who is the subject we? We is nosotros. And nosotros connects to somos. Step 3. Listen.
Somos profesores.
We are teachers. Repeat.
Somos profesores.
Next, you are a lawyer. Step 1. Lawyer in Spanish. Listen to Carlos.
Abogado.
Step 2. You is 222 connects to eres. Step 3.
Tú eres abogado.
Listen, you are a lawyer. Repeat.
Tú eres abogado.
This last exercise is my favorite, and it is completely about you. Watch Carlos go first and listen to how he builds each line.
Es abogada.
My name is Carlos.
Es abogado.
My name is. That is how we introduce our name in Spanish.
Soy de España.
I am from Spain.
Soy de.
Then your country.
Soy español.
Or I am Spanish. Then your nationality, sir. I am a doctor.
Soy médico.
Then your job, 4 lines. That is a complete introduction in Spanish. Your turn now. Please pause the video. Write your 4 lines. Say them out loud. Then come back. Welcome back. Did you say your 4 lines? Those are yours now. The next time someone asks you to introduce yourself in Spanish, you are completely ready. 5 things. Read them. Let them stay in your mind.
Soy, eres, es, somos, sois, son.
Say it one more time with Carlos.
Soy, eres, es, somos, sois, son.
That is grammar lesson 1. Sir, you now know the rule, the 4 uses, the 6 forms, and how to build a real sentence, step by step. And you can introduce yourself completely in Spanish right now. That is something to be truly proud of. Our next lesson is a start. And I promise you, once you see how E-star works, the difference between Sora and E-star will finally make complete sense. Today, please say your 4 introduction lines out loud at least once. Just once is enough to make them stick. Thank you so much for learning with me. See you in the next lesson.
Hasta la próxima. Tú puedes.